In this video, I'll detail how to reset one-time password on Samsung Galaxy phone hotspot. So if you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone hotspot and you allow others to connect to it, then you may use a one-time password so that all your guests can use this password to connect to your Samsung phone hotspot temporarily. However, if you want to disconnect everyone without telling them you have already disconnected them, you can just reset the one-time password temporarily. So this is going to change the connected password automatically, and it's going to disconnect everyone that connects to your Samsung phone. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to reset one-time password on Samsung phone hotspot, what you need to do is go to your phone settings, scroll down and click on connections, then click on mobile hotspot and tethering, locate mobile hotspot, click on that. You may turn this on or not, so you need to turn this on if people are still connected to your device. Then click on one-time password, make sure this is enabled if it is disabled. So once you enable that, you can then go ahead and share this automated one-time password to anyone that is trying to connect to your Samsung Galaxy phone hotspot. However, to reset the password, you just need to just click on the reset button at the bottom right. Then this is going to reset the password by turning off the Samsung phone mobile hotspot and turning it on automatically. So the previous password will be invalid, and then whoever is using this password would connect to your Samsung phone password, and if you click on the reset again, it's going to render the previous password invalid. So this I can easily reset Samsung phone hotspot one-time password on your device. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.